Hey, welcome. So this is a tour for 40 West 52nd Street in Bayonne. Two-bedroom rental, and it's been completely renovated, as you can see. This is a new kitchen. You got a tile backsplash, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. So this is brand spanking new. Then you turn around and you have two bedrooms. This here is going to be your master. You get the ceiling fan, keeping you cool. And then you also have your second bedroom. And over here, I wanted to show you also on this side of the apartment, you have a pantry closet that's got plenty of space, pretty deep, as you can see here. And just right off of the entry, you do have your own entry closet as well to put your boots, your hat, your coats, whatever it may be. And right next to that, you do have your bathroom. All new ceramic tile, new plumbing, new toilet, new vanity. Be the first ones in. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up. So let us know if you're interested. Shoot us a text, send us an email. Let us know if you want to come take a look.